to Olusegun Maths Clinic. Today we want to solve a mathematics challenge of sort, which it is under the equalities of sort. We have to evaluate root 6 plus root 11 plus root 6 minus root 11. Before I start working this solution, my name remains the same, Olusegun Adilekun. So we are hereby for you not to forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video. So now, in solving this, for evaluating a question like this, the first thing you are going to do, because I said it's from the law of equalities of sort, let's represent this by x. Let's say x is equal to root 6 plus root 11 plus root 6 minus root 11. So let's scale the both sides. Let's scale the both sides. So in scaling the both sides, we have s squared is equal to 6 plus root 11 onto root plus root 6 minus root 11 whole square. So we have s squared is equal to root 6 plus root 11 plus 6 minus root 11, you open a bracket, 6 plus root 11 plus, this is the root 6 minus root 11. Now, this is expansions of this. This expansion of this give this. But before solving this, the first thing you are going to consider is this. If root a times root a, from the law of sort, it surely gives us a, telling us that this root 6 plus root 11 plus root 6 plus root 11, by the time you multiply them together, it will surely give us 6 plus root 11 plus. Now let's go back to the quadratic form. When you have x plus y all squared, it will surely give you s squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So with the s squared is the one that gives us this. The y squared will give us this times this. So let's consider 2xy. So making plus 2xy will be this and this. So we have plus root 6 minus root 11. You open a bracket onto root 6 plus root 11. So therefore plus, so the square of this, by the time you multiply this and this together, will give you, because of the law, 6 minus root 11. So that is where we are going to. So now, before solving this, you realize that root 11 minus root 11 will turn to 0. This will give you 0 because this is positive and this is minus. So meaning that s squared is equal to 6 plus 6 will surely give us 12. So now, the question is this. I've said earlier that root a times root a will surely give you a, but provided that they have the same value. So let's apply another law to this. If we have root a times root b, the same thing as a raised to power half times b raised to power half can be ab raised to power half. So this is the power rule. So let's apply the power that root a times root b will surely give us a raised to power half times b raised to power half. So meaning that ab all raised to power half. So this will now give you plus 2 onto, so remember this is a conjugate surd, and in a conjugate surd, which is a plus root b onto a minus root b, in expanding a conjugate surd, this will only multiply this, we have a squared, this will also multiply this only minus b. So let's apply the rules of the conjugate. So therefore we have only this will multiply, since 6 will multiply 6, we have 36. So that is, in case you have any questions, you are free to ask in the comment section. So I will reply you any questions so far. Maybe you don't get it better, so I will explain. So the conjugate, the laws of the conjugate I use here make me to know that it will only have this is a power rule. So and this is a conjugate. So 36 root 11 times root 11 will give us minus 11 all raised to power half. So we have, let's start from this side. Now, if our s squared now will now give us 12 plus 2 onto, so 36 minus 11 will surely give us 25. 25 raised to power half. So our s squared will now give us 12 plus 2 onto 5. 25 raised to power half, that is square root of 5. So square root of, so let's rewrite it better, because we have to find the positive value of x. We have 25. So we now have, that is s squared is equal to 12 plus 2 onto 5. So which is equal to 12 plus 10, which is equal to 22. So s squared is equal to 22. So now we need a positive integer. So for the fact that our x will now be plus or minus square root of 22. So x is equal to plus root 22 or minus root 22. But because we don't need minus, we have to reject this. So the sums of this will now give us, so the sum of this and this will surely give us plus root 22, for the fact that we are looking for positive integer. So this is the explanations of these equalities of surd. So don't forget to share this video and subscribe to this channel, and also follow in case I'm releasing any video, you're able to see it. Thanks.